The second mistake is inadequate misting and inappropriate misting. Though this has changed in the last several years, one piece of advice new keepers often received is to mist once a day or twice a day. This leads to a significant mistake, which is over or under misting. Firstly, depending on where you live, your humidity may vary greatly. When misting too often in a higher humidity environment, there won't be an adequate dry period during which your gecko's enclosure is allowed to dry out. The issue arises when bacteria and mold starts to accumulate, contributing to an unsterile environment and air quality. Too much humidity for extended periods of time can cause respiratory infections and even fungal infections.